what I'm going to do in this short video is basically explain the different steps that you're going to have to take in order to get your twister box up and running. So our next mission is to find out which service cable is going to work with this device. So when I put this cable box onto the phone, sure enough, everything lines up. So what I recommend is finding a rubber band that you can use to hold down this service cable. So the phone is ready. So let's start working on connecting our box, our twister box, to the PC. Find the DVDs that came with your packet of cables and twister box. Now I'm going to step through the installation of the software fairly quickly because that's pretty much the same as any other piece of software. You're going to want to start plugging in your cables. Now the twister box uses a traditional USB cable. Now just a little tip. If you're running into any kind of trouble obtaining your phone image, look at the cables first. One thing you might consider immediately, replace your USB cable and try something else. Try a different one. Same goes for the actual service cable. Although these usually last for quite some time, if they're used over and over again, sometimes you can get a loose connector. Try a different one. And now attach that to our PC. I'll move this off to the side for right now. And I'm going to wait and see what happens. You should have a couple of lights on it. You should have your power light and the confirmation that you have a USB connection here. Now, if you look closely at the front of your Nokia screen, you'll see that it says local mode. The local mode indicates that the phone is communicating with the twister. So the first thing we're going to do is select Read PM. It's going to ask us for the first record. You can see by the record numbers they can continue to go up and up and up, and you can see the number of bytes that are being retrieved from each one of those records. So I've changed a couple of the settings of the interface here. What we have here now is flash for the scenario type under action mode, interface FBus, which was standard, the default setting, but speed I've knocked that down to slow. Also under the DCT4 tab, I've selected under product the RM37, which is the 6610i. After the Sarasoft recovers the data from the PM process, it asks us for a name. The default value of the output file is the IMEI of the phone and the nomenclature. In this case, it took 10 minutes and 20 seconds, 1.1 megs of data. Now I'm just going to jump through the read mem process and cut out quite a bit of time because it takes about 15 minutes. But the first thing it asks us for are some address ranges. We'll just take the default values and let Sarasoft take over. When it's all complete, it's going to take us 14 minutes, 41 seconds for this Nokia 6610i with a total file size of 16 megs. So there you have it. The Sarasoft and Twister with the Nokia 6610i. Thanks for watching.